Hello YouTube, it's Pulsar here, and I'm here to play Hungry Arcade Machine. I have no clue what's going on here, but I think it's got broken glass teeth, and that's terrifying. So, let's see what we got. Hungry Arcade Machine. It was on the Indie vs. Gamers Game Jam, so it's probably going to be a blast. Move, mouse, got lost keys. Eat. Eat. Well, Hungry Arcade Machine, of course. E or left mouse button, hide, shift. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Okay. You are hungry. Eat coins and humans to stay alive. Oh, cool. Aha! Coin! Okay. Coin! Coin! Coin. Your health will slowly drain outside this room except when hiding. Eat to heal. Okay. Coins give me a short speed boost. And hello, children! Hello. Hello, police officer. Hide! Cop lost sight of me. Eat! 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 No, hide. Okay, health's kind of low. And eat! 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 Ha 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 ha! Oh, ew. Ew. Is that supposed to happen? Ew! Ew! Oh, no, not another cop! Oh, Lord, not more cops. Oh, I'm dead. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, and ha! Coin! Come on. I got to, like, I don't even know what my score was last game. Hello, cop. No, you're not cop, you're just security. He wants to eat cops anyway, they're nice people. Okay. Oh! Wow! Adventure in town or something? Okay. Wow, this time through sucked royally. Okay. Let's try that again. I are hungry! Okay. And first goal. Get a whole bunch of people into a corner and gnaw them down. Ha! Got a few people. Speed boost! Eat! I am hungry arcade machine and I will eat. And chow! And eat. Eats. And get... no. And that's right. Eat! Hide. That's right, you don't notice the legs. You don't notice the kicking legs sticking out of my play screen. Those are, Mark II joysticks. I got your gun. And shoot! And... come on! That's right. Get in the corner. Oh, come on. Camera, don't hang up, camera. Camera, why you hang up? Okay, camera, stop hanging up. Camera is good, camera. Rampage! Rampage is fun to say! Oh! Hi! There's a lot of you! Okay, yeah, there's a lot of you! Oh, I'm dead! Score 18,750. People eating 11. Okay, that was so much better than my first time through. Okay, try this one more time. Okay, I mean, at least one more time. This is disturbingly entertaining. Okay. Oh, this one's getting my vote. Oh, this is terrible, and it's beautiful. Where's the... oh, camera! Why you do this thing, camera? Hold still! Ha! I got people. Hey! Where'd the other one go? Oh, no, I'm just a broken arcade machine. Don't mind me! Ha! People in corner. Security! Come on, hold still, will ya? Hold still! Gamers are part of a balanced breakfast. And... Ha! Got another security guy. Nope. You don't see me. Oh, no! Oh. I didn't even make my last high score. Oh, people eating 11. Okay, 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 okay. Come on. Come on. We got this crap. No, 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 no! Speedy Dom! Oh, I lost my boost. Uh-oh. Hi! You have a gun. I don't like guns. They can shoot me. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Will you hold still and quit with the bang bang pew pew? There, stop the pew pew. Come on, come on. There's another one. Need to heal up. They really beat the tar out of me out there. Of course, it doesn't help that there were like 4 of them right on top of me at the start. Just like that one time! Okay, okay, gotta find a corner. With someone unsuspecting standing in it. Or at least slow! Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, come on, come on! Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on! Oh, okay, the controls are a little goofy. Camera's making things a little tricky, too. I mean, I was turning around for like 2 minutes there solid, and it wasn't flipping me around. Okay, camera, a little goofy, but overall, good game. Oh man, this is... Oh, this should not be this much fun. I think I just pasted a guy by running him over. Okay, come on, come on. I had you cornered! Come on, come on, come on. Is the AI for the security guards, like, better or something? Because they don't back into corners as readily. And... Double Nom! No! Oh, I'm digesting. I get it. Okay. Okay, okay. Digesting. Don't mind me. Chew, 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 chew. Stay asleep. And go get the coin. That way you can flee away from the people with the guns who want me dead. Oh! Okay, 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 okay. Why camera? Why camera? Okay, camera keeps getting hooked on the wall seemingly, which is odd. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Hello, you're here early. Come on, back into a corner. Back into it. Oh, I want you back into a corner. Okay, fine, I'm splitting. I'm out of here. Oh, it's not fair that there's more than one of you and only one of me. How come I always score, like, at least 10,000? Is it all the coins? Yeah, the coins are worth 1,000 each. Then how pathetically lame am I at this game that I'm only scoring, like, the starting score? Ha! Digest. Lesson learned. Let them digest first. That's right, kick and flail. Ha ha ha! Oh, that sounded terrible. Okay, coin, 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 chew! And digest. Okay, okay, okay. We'll go back to daily lives. We'll go back to daily lives. You, sir. Oh, no, no, don't suspect me. I are broken machine. I are harmless, even though you were looking right at me a minute ago. Come on, somebody, somebody, walk up to play the fun game. Oh. Digest, digest. Don't mind the fact that your coworker is right there. Just ignore me because I'm in hide mode. Keep hiding. Go get the coin. Eat, eat. Digest. Okay. Chew and swallow. There we go. There we go. And hi. And hi. Hi. Coin. Hi. Oh, nope. No. No. Okay, okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm at pathetically low health here. Somebody walk by. Come on. Somebody walk by. No, 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 no. My front. Walk by my front. No, I don't wanna... Oh, at least I'm not losing health right now. Come on, somebody walk up and play the totally non-threatening arcade game. I'm nice. Come on. Ha-ha! Oh. Oh. Okay, one more for luck. Come on, you can do this. I want to break 20,000. I mean, I usually am just terrible at games in general, so I'm not, like, fixated on it. Oh, no. Chew your food. Chew your food. No one mind it. These are the new prototype controllers. They come with the Xbox One. Come on. Come on. Settle down. Settle down in there. You're good. I got you. I got you. Trust me. Trust me. I'm a retro arcade game. What's not to trust? Chew and swallow. Chew and swallow. There we go. This game's... This is terrible. Oh! Nope! Nope. Nope. Ha! I tricked you! Come on, come on. Okay, so I can't turn around that fast. That's important to know. And... Chew! No, 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 I thought I caught you. I caught you! Come on, do the shuffle. Do this twisted shuffle. Okay. And you, sir! You look tasty! Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. And... what's over here? Anything over here? Just people. Snacks with feet. For IR, the hungry arcade machine. No! No, you don't freaking dare! No. Come on, come on, I need somebody to walk by. Okay. Somebody needs to walk by close, and I can turn and nab them. And you look good! Coins. Oh. I beat 20,000! Okay, this was mildly twisted, but a lot of fun. Links in the description, check this out. This was far too much fun, and it's part of the Indies vs. Gamers Game Jam on Game Jolt, so that... Oh wow, this was fun. Okay. See you all next time, YouTube. Goodbye and good night. There was a sign, it told me, but I... Worms! 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 Oh! No, you go! Oh, screw you! Thing on a plank. Oh, God. Ugh. Okay.